Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply video effects to certain layers of your videos in CapCut PC. So I have this overlay right here, and for instance, I only want to add video effects to the overlay and not the background. And I'm just going to select the effect here. I'm going to, instead of dragging it on top, where it will be applied to both the overlay and background, I will place it inside of the overlay. So as you can see, it only will be applied to the overlay. You'll be able to see it a little bit better if I do like this, and I added like this as the overlay maybe, and then I added like effects to the overlay only here. As you can see, it will only be applied to the overlay. Same goes if you want to only add it to your background, like here. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.